bucket here at home, great to get this crowd behind them.
And it's a slow start right now for Neil Foreman and company, staring down a 7-0 deficit early on. Thomas, Canadian Player of the Year, step back, bang!
And the sixth pick.
Next season here in the NBLC. Game 3 right now on the court as they digress. 5-point lead for the Lightning. And Thomas, high off glass. Thomas, the Canadian player. The quicker guy in this league so far this season. Thomas, left wing 3, bang! 4 minutes to go here.
London's 8-point lead with 2 bigs on the bench.
Jones underneath. Thomas with the reverse. And Thomas on a 5-0 rebound. And Jones ends up with it. They're going to kick it around the pond. Thomas again. Bang! They get it. Gets the switch off. Now they switch back. Isa. Thomas. Thomas strong with the left hand. Switches over to the right and friendly roll into the
U.S.-born players in league history.
Burns kicks it to the pocket. Left court. Jensen White kicks it across the pond. Bang!
Exact Canadians.
Jensen White.
Struggled with the injuries in his history.
Thomas adjusts, reverse layup. Terry Thomas.
Yeah, tip for tat. Long 3 for long 3, and they both go empty.
Terry Thomas once again. He's going to size up Newfeld. He gets it to go again. Shot. Isom with the rebound outlet to Thomas. Thomas 1-on-1. Thomas with the dance. Thomas off glass, and Matt Jones to his knife back into the building. And Thomas one of the ones that took it out of the building to begin this contest. Backs down Miller. Fade away.
Come on.
Jones. Step back. Landon. He's got to get a shot off with the miracle shot. Tipped by Terry Thomas.
I don't think he got that off in time.
And
yeah.